Well, let's move on then and track levels with our chartist Naresh Mirani joining in. Morning, Naresh. Let's get a take from you because there was certainly quite a bit of fervor in the markets. The broader markets as well proved their mettle. What is it that you make of the pecking order, the fact that you had a lot of those PSUs at the forefront, BPCL, SBI, ONGC, etc., rallying hard and fast?
So overall, a good recovery and across the board. And more importantly, banks also made a recovery. So we've gone through that phase for the last few sessions where we could not cross the last 3-4 days highs. Yesterday, we finally saw the Bank Nifty crossing highs, and that too without the support from the largest weight, which is HDFC Bank. And HDFC Bank also has made an intraday recovery yesterday from the lows after making new 52-week lows. So overall, the structure is positive. We wait for follow-on. And overall, now the recent lows of yesterday become a stop loss, and you want to buy on dips. So Bank Nifty as well as Nifty become a buy on dips going forward. And overall, broader market also went through a nice 3-4 day correction, and we've seen a recovery. On the PSU side, one has to be looking at exiting the railway names, etc., on rise, and continue to focus on oil and gas. Continues to be in momentum and still looks interesting as such. And other names could be interesting in the PSU pack, something like a Concor, which has not gone up, but would be a little careful in the railway names out of defense.
Kunal Bothra as well with us. And Kunal, a pretty splendid recovery in the Nifty Bank Index. How are you reading into that?
Well, absolutely, yes. In fact, the last 4 days, 4 or 5 days of the heightened volatility for the indices, what we've done is we've managed to protect the 200-day moving average for the Bank Nifty on closing basis. And I think that's a very strong indication that there's a lot of demand for the index and for the entire banking sector as such, closer to this 200-day moving average, which I think is at 44,500, 600 levels for the Bank Nifty on the spot basis. Now, after yesterday's move, what we've also done is we've managed to make a fresh 4-day, 5-day swing high for the Bank Nifty and breaking past about 45,500 mark and closing above those levels. So I would believe that this could be a very strong indication that maybe this 1,000-point band of volatility which you were trading, I think that should now get replicated into a trending breakout for the banking index. So we wait out for 44,500 as a support or as a stop loss for this long trade, and we would look out for at least 1,000 to 1,500 points on the upside from yesterday's closing, which should take the Bank Nifty to almost 46,500 plus mark.